Hi again from Avtaars world. There's nothing more nicer than green chutney to go with tandoori chicken or any kebab. In fact, it will go with any other dish. The first ingredient, I'm going to use cumin seeds. I'll put them onto the flat pan, dry roast them so that it starts releasing the beautiful oils and the aroma starts getting released as opposed to using them raw. Making sure I'm stirring it, they're crackling, and you can tell they are ready. Oh, that's lovely flavor coming out of it. Now, just going to lift this up and it goes into my grinder. So there you go. Once you have roasted it, the color goes very nice, lovely browny color, golden, and it's full of aroma at this moment in time. That's my first ingredient. So the next is some fresh mint, and I'm going to put a handful of coriander. I'm actually going to chop everything including these stems because these are full of flavor. The stems actually have got more flavor than the leaves. So everything is going to get chopped including the green chili and some ginger together with some salt. It's going to get all liquidized or pureed, and then I'm going to add all of that into a serving dish together with my ground cumin and loads of fresh lemon on it, and it makes it absolutely yummy chutney. Another variation of green chutney for this is going to be different ingredients as opposed to my first green chutney that was chili hot and ginger hot together with the mint leaves. Now this is going to be very mild. I'm going to use, I've grated half a cucumber there, and to this I'm going to add some yogurt and some salt. I'm going to chop that roughly and then blitz it so that I get pureed coriander to make a milder green chutney. Two different green chutneys will give you a lovely combination to go with any of your dishes. My green chutneys, milder and a stronger one, they're both ready. This is the green chili, lemon juice, cumin seeds. Absolutely beautiful, and the flavors are totally balanced because of the cumin seeds and coriander and mint. Absolutely yummy. This is the mild version of a green chutney. It has got yogurt into the cucumber. Really nice and cooling flavors to go with the heatness of any dish. Thank you very much. Goodbye for now. God bless.